Okay, here we go. 14-2, measuring elapsed time. Remember that elapsed time is the amount of time that passes or has gone by. That is what we call elapsed time. It has gone by. Denise went to see a movie. The movie started at 1:05 p.m. It ended at 2:35 p.m. How long did the movie last? Explain your reasoning. How can you figure out how a movie had started at 1:05, ended at 2:35? How much time has elapsed? How long did the movie last? Go ahead and pause the video and try and figure that out. Okay, welcome back. Let's get started. If a start time is 7:15 and an end time is 8:05 a.m., why do you not have to count hours to find the elapsed time? We're starting at 7:15 a.m. and ending at 8:05 a.m. Let me draw these in real quick here. Let's see, I'm starting at 7:15. It's going to be a little bit past 7, right? Because it's not right on 7 anymore. So 7:15, there you go. Hour hand's shorter than the minute hand. And we're going to end at 8:05. So I'm going to go again to 8, very close to the 8, because 8:05 is just barely past 8, isn't it? That's just 5 minutes past 8. So there, I've got 7:15 start time, 8:05 end time. I don't have to count the hours because I know that I'm not even going a full hour. One full hour from 7:15 all the way around the clock would be 8:15. And I'm not going that far, am I? I'm not going to 8:15. I'm only going to 8:05. So I know I do not have to count the hours because I'm not traveling a full hour. 5 is less than 15. 5 minutes is less than 15 minutes, so I know I'm not going a full hour all the way around. Let's try it with our clock here. Here's our 7:15, and we're going to go around to 8:05. So we're going to go all the way around, coming up on 8 o'clock. There's 8 o'clock. We're going to stop at 8:05. We didn't go a full hour. We didn't go to 8:15, so I'm not going a full hour. So I know that one whole hour would have been 8:15, which is past our end time of 8:05, so I do not have to count the hours. A movie started at 2:30 p.m. and ran for 2 hours, 15 minutes. What time did the movie end? They want to know it started at 2:30, it ran for 2 hours and 15 minutes. What time did it end? The movie ended at what time? Well, let me put in here, 2 started at 2:30. So I know that 2:30 is halfway between 2 and 3. So my hour hand is going to point right out in the middle there between 2 and 3. My minute hand says 30 minutes, so that's going to be right down on the 6. The 6 is 30 minutes. Okay, so that's 2:30. And I'm going to go, it's going to run for 2 hours and 15 minutes. Well, if I'm going from 2 hours, 2:30, that means I'm going to go all the way around the clock, aren't I? There's hours. One whole hour is going to go all the way around from 2:30 to 3:30. I've got another hour. I'm going to go all the way around to 4:30. There's 2 hours. And now I've got my 30 minutes. Oh, 15 minutes. I've got my 15 minutes. So now I'm going to do my hops. 5, 10, 15. Looks like I stopped at 4:45. I went around 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 15 minutes. Okay? We'll try that on our clock and see we'll try that on our clock and see how it works. We want to start at 2, come on, 2:30. There's our hour hand. It's in between 2 and 3. There's your minute hand, goes all the way to 30, 2:30, longer than the hour hand, 2:30. And we want to go 2 hours and 15 minutes. That's how long our movie is, right? So let's go 2 hours and 15 minutes. I'm going to go all the way around. There's 1 hour. All the way around a second hour. There's 2 hours. At 4:30, 2:30 plus 2 hours, 3:30. Yep, 4:30. But now I've got 15 more minutes. 5, 10, 15. I went 2 hours and 15 minutes, ended up on 4:45. Okay, so far I figured out twice. It looks like it's coming the same with the clock. Let's try it with a number line. If you take this clock apart, you cut it and you stretch it out and lay it flat, don't you think it kind of looks like a number line? It does. It's a little different because it doesn't keep going in every way. Let's see. There's our number line, 2 o'clock, 2:30. That's where we're starting. And we're going to hop an hour. There's 1 hour hop from 2:30 to 3:30. There's another hour hop from 3:30 to 4:30. 1 hour, 2 hour, 2 hops. 1, 2. But we're not done. We've got that 15 minutes. So now we can count by fives. 5, 10, 15. Let's check that and see. There's plus 1 hour. There's plus another hour. Doesn't this look familiar? We've been doing this with number lines. There's 5, 10, 15. There's our plus 15. So there's 2 hours and 15 minutes. That was our elapsed time. Where did we end up? 2:30 to 3:30 to 4:30, 4:35, 4:40, 4:45. Yep, there we go. So 2 different ways you can do it. You can go around the clock, counting by hours and counting your minutes by 5, or try it on a number line. 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 35, 40, 45. Let's try it again. We're going to draw arrows on the second clock to count the hours from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. We want to know, what is the elapsed time? How much time has gone by? How much time has passed? Well, here's 11 o'clock. That's where we're starting. Here's 5 o'clock. We're ending. We're starting at 11 a.m. or 11 in the morning. We're going to end up at 5 p.m., 5 in the afternoon, 5 in the evening. It's kind of the start of evening, p.m. Okay, so for 11, I'm going to start at 11 here. I'm going to count till I can get to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice I'm not counting by these numbers. I'm counting how many hours I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till I end up at 5 o'clock. Try it on this one, from 11 to 12 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. I went 6 full hours. Started on our clock. Where did we start? 11. Use this clock. I'm going to go, how many hours? Till 5 o'clock. Okay. Well, there's 1 hour to 1 o'clock. It's 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. And I got to go all the way around one more time till I get to 5 o'clock. That was 6 hours. I went around 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, you could try it on a number line. We're going to start at 11 o'clock. And we want to use our number line to get to 5 p.m. Well, let's start counting our hours here. 11, we're going to do 1 hour till 12 to 13. No, there is no 13. We start again at 1 o'clock to 12 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. Let's count those hours again. How many hops did we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours is the elapsed time from 11 a.m. till 5 p.m. The elapsed time from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. is 6 hours. Okay, your turn. Go get some work done. Use that clock.